Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to blur or hide wallpapers on your iPhone 17 always on display. The first thing we're gonna do is open settings. Here scroll down to the display brightness. Now scroll down till you see always on display. Tap it, and now as you can see, Blur Wallpaper Photo. You can disable or enable this option once always on display is enabled. If I disable this, my wallpaper is like this, and now if I enable this, of course it's not a photo, it's like this. And here, if you want to hide wallpaper, you can just tap this button and now your wallpaper is hidden. As you can see, it's like this. To unhide the wallpaper, tap this slider to enable Show Wallpaper. Of course, this Blur Wallpaper Photo, it works only when you do have any photo, like this is the original iPhone's one, but if you do have a photo, it will be blurred. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.